The scheduler is the core of Axis Diplomat system and provides a gateway to many powerful features. This video guide explores how to open and close Axis Diplomat and how the system fits alongside your Windows and Microsoft 365 accounts. Please note, you must be provided with appropriate and suitable access by your system's administrator. Axis Diplomat is launched in the same way as any other desktop application, whether on your local machine or through a remote desktop. Typically, you may open it from the Start menu, a pinned taskbar icon, or a desktop shortcut, depending on how your system has been set up. Shortcuts may point to a group of companies, of which you may select the company you wish to work in, or to a specific company, for example, CO1. When Axis Diplomat starts, you'll go through a login process. This login controls which company data you can access and what functions you're allowed to use. It is separate from your Windows login, but it works alongside it as part of your overall working environment. Your Windows user account and your Diplomat user account are typically linked, and therefore your Axis Diplomat username may already be filled in, and you're only asked for your Axis Diplomat password if one has been set for you. Once logged in, Axis Diplomat loads the scheduler. The scheduler is your main working screen and provides access to all menus, functions and help resources available to you. Please see the video user guide, Introduction to Axis Diplomat Scheduler for further details. You may also notice that Axis Diplomat works alongside your Microsoft 365 account. For example, documents, emails or reports generated from the system may open using Microsoft applications such as Outlook, Word or Excel, depending on your setup. Axis Diplomat uses these tools but does not replace your Microsoft login. In addition, Axis Diplomat templated output documents, such as invoices or purchase orders, use PDF. Axis Diplomat licenses are shared between users. A license is only used when someone is actively logged into the system. Creating a user account does not use a license on its own. A license is only taken when a user logs in. Each open session uses one license. If the same user logs in on more than one computer at the same time, each session will use a separate license. When you've finished working, it's important to close Axis Diplomat correctly, not only to ensure that any changes are saved, it also makes sure the license you were using is available and ensures that your session is ended cleanly, allowing data housekeeping functions, checkpoints and backups to function more efficiently. To close Axis Diplomat, ensure that you have exited any functions and then close the scheduler window using the standard Windows controls or the menu Exit option. Closing Axis Diplomat will not affect your Windows session or your Microsoft 365 account. It simply ends your Axis Diplomat session. For more details, take a look at our online help resources, including the video user guide, Introduction to the Axis Diplomat Scheduler, or use your pastime units to book a remote training session with one of our consultants. We look forward to seeing you.